Hi. Today I am going to show you some basics of the unwrapping in Render. There are several ways to unwrap an object. Let's model a banana. Press Shift+A to add an image. Select Reference. Choose the image. You could download it from the link in the description below. Change the rotation angles. Go to Front View. Add a cylinder. Rotate the cylinder by pressing R. Scale the cylinder by pressing S. Select the points from the right side and press E to extrude them. Move the points by pressing G so they are above the banana contour. Rotate and scale them. Press again E to extrude. Extrude the points till the right end. Repeat the same process for the left side of the object. You could choose Loop Cut to add more points. Go to Material Properties. Create a new material. Click Base Color and choose Image Texture. Click Open. Select again the side view. Go to UV. Select the entire object by pressing A and select Project from View. Go to UV Editor. Select all the points and scale them till they cover the photo from the background. All the points must be inside or on the counter, otherwise you will see white zones on your model. Make sure all points are selected and go to Material Properties. Click Assign. Change the viewport to shading. Exit Edit Mode. Hide the picture from the scene by pressing H. Now you have a banana with material applied. Go to Modifiers and choose Subdivision Surface. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. Take care. Bye.